If you want to make money online, then this video is only for you. In today's video, I will share the best way to make money with Amazon and ChatGPT. The best way to make money is to sell products to others. If you don't have any products, then you can sell products from Amazon and earn a decent commission. Look at this video. You can see the product name with the link in the description box. Actually, all of them are Amazon affiliate links. If anyone buys products with this link, the creator will get a commission. In this video, I will share the process of selling Amazon products with the help of ChatGPT and another AI tool. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, we need to select a product to sell. Always select a product you are interested in. If you don't have any idea, then you can look out Amazon website for product listings. But I will ask ChatGPT for product suggestions. For example, I want to sell electronics products and I am asking ChatGPT for the 10 best-selling electronics products on Amazon. GPT has provided a best-selling products list to us. You can find the category after the product name. Now select one product. For example, I am selecting a smart doorbell with a camera and motion detection. Now give a prompt again as top 10 smart doorbell with a camera and motion detection in Amazon. There is a problem. ChatGPT is only capable of providing data before September 2021. You can customize the prompt to get old data. However, I will suggest searching for products and collecting product names from the Amazon website. You will find a vast number of products with sales ranking. Some products can appear multiple times. Don't select the same product multiple times. Now copy the product's name and the product URL in an Excel or Google Sheet file. In this way, create a product list. Now you can research about this product and create a script to make a video for YouTube, or can take the help of ChatGPT to generate a video script. To do this, come to ChatGPT and give a prompt as I am giving a list of products. Can you give information about these products? Now provide the product list to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give information about the products immediately. If you need more information, then give the command as more details about these products. You will get a details product information. We can use it as our video script. Just we have to add an intro and outro. We can ask for ChatGPT for the intro and outro. Ask ChatGPT to provide the intro and the outro. It will provide you immediately. Now assemble the script step by step and create a complete script. Alright, our script is ready. Now it's time to create the video. There are two methods of creating the video. The first one is to record your own voice, collect related product images and videos, and then edit them with a video editor. And the second method is to take the help of AI. If you want to take the help of AI, then you have to invest money. And if you want to create your own video, then you have to invest time and effort. If you want to create a video with AI, then you can watch one of my previous videos. I will put the link in the description box, or you can watch it from the I button. Alright, now I am going to share another method. With this method, you can create a product roundup video without researching and writing the script. Introducing Oxolo. This AI tool is specially designed for making Amazon product videos. You have to just enter a product link. After entering the product link, select your audience platform. You can make videos for more than 8 platforms including YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Then select your language. You can make videos in more than 50 languages. After all is set, hit the create your free video. Now you have to create an account with your Google or email account. After creating the account, wait for some time and your video will be ready. Okay, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
See, hear, and speak with the Ring Video Doorbell's enhanced features. Enjoy improved motion detection, privacy controls, and crisper vision. Get mobile notifications for doorbell presses or motion triggers. Powered by battery or existing doorbell wires for constant power. Experience simple setup with Wi-Fi connection and included tools.
You can see watermarks on the video. If you want to remove the watermark, then you have to buy a premium subscription. Let me be clear, this video is not sponsored. I am just sharing the method. If you can create your own video, then it will be great. Alright. After creating your video, publish the video with the affiliate links. Before publishing the video, you have to create an affiliate account on Amazon. And don't forget to put the affiliate link in the video description. Dear friends, if you want to be successful, you have to work more. Don't be demotivated if your videos do not get so many views in the starting or not getting sell. Try harder, one day you will be successful. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of affiliate marketing. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.